Today we're going to be mounting a Starlink Generation 3 to a wooden surface. Once you have inserted the cables, and you could do them through the side openings or through the bottom opening, inserted the cables into the Starlink, insert it back snug into this and hold it with one hand and put on the front frame and a couple of included screws. These screws are quite long and they will just cut into the wood. The next thing you do is you actually just do this, and the same for the other side. Now do the same for the other 4 screws. And that is it. The Starlink hub is mounted. This construction is very robust. It will withstand the harshness of the vehicle use. I printed from plastic that is not gonna melt. And I hope you like it, guys. You can order it from my Etsy store.